Uh, if you have any questions, more than happy to take. Mike is there.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Over here, to your right, guys, to your right.
Left.
Sorry, left. Right. So congratulations for coming up with this venture. My question goes to Mr. Latif. So Mr. Latif, why you selected these countries, USA, UK, and Australia? Exactly the thing is this, that mostly people living in these countries are either fan of Hollywood stars or football sports stars and other sports stars like. So what is that thing which will make them fascinated by these products which are being endorsed by Bollywood celebrities like?
Right. So on? Okay. So I can tell you, having lived in the US for 25 years before coming to India, I can tell you about the excitement that we, Indians abroad have about Bollywood and about Bollywood products. Actually, funny enough, when I used to, go to see the movies, the line for the Bollywood movie would be longer than the Hollywood line. So, just personal sort of reflection on that. But the beauty of it is, eBay is a platform where from here, from India, Best Deals is able to satisfy the aspirations of the Indian diaspora. And, I think you guys can find enough stories where you go to different countries and people are familiar with Bollywood and are actors and actresses. And, they have done a fabulous job of spreading India's culture and India's name. And I think this is a great partnership because, the eBay platform is agnostic and it reaches the 157 million buyers across 206 countries. So I think this is a fabulous match. What Raj and Shilpa have done with Best Deals TV is truly brilliant. And, I think we couldn't have been happier in terms of forging this partnership.
And Neha and Shilpa.
Sure, please, Shilpa.
Yeah, since you guys are just turning up, since you guys are turning up to be endorsing your own styles and products, so is it like Bollywood celebrities turning to be marketing people? Is it like that?
Are you saying that we're going to be the face of products, or are you just saying that we're going to be marketing people?
Yeah, face of the product and as well as marketing people.
Oh yeah, absolutely we are, and there's nothing wrong with that. That's what we do for a living. We market and sell products, and we make movies, and we're very proud that people believe in us and the things we say to them. And yes, this is the best marketing gimmick that there is, Bollywood and cricket, and that's what Raj does best, get the best people forward, and that's what eBay does best. And yes, we're going to be marketing the products for them by using our face, by using our voice, because we're on TV, and by using our conviction, because I still have the hair extensions on. I've used the 6-in-1 hair product right now to do my hair. So yeah, we're like living, walking, talking examples of using the product. So it's great. And I've seen Shilpa in those, jeggings, even when she's not posing in front of the camera. So yeah, and she makes them look like $1 million. So, and I bought them. So yeah, that's great.
Hi,
Mr.
Shilpa.
Just elucidating.
Akhilesh here from TV24. Akhilesh.
Just 1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
भाई साहब,
Excuse me.
ये चल रहा है कि नहीं?
हाँ,
हाँ.
yeah.
Also, just taking it a bit further and elucidating on what Neha had to say regarding the products. We've endorsed products for a lot of people, and I take the carte blanche of even speaking for Neha. And the only difference being that for Best Deal TV and the products that we are leveraging our name for here on our channel is that there is an added onus because, it's not just a product, we're also partners in the product. So everything from the inception stage to what the product does is endorsed by us. So here we're not just taking money and, just posing for the product. There's a lot of work that goes behind the scenes by the celebrities themselves, when it comes to, even okaying the Alchemy and extensions. There was a lot of input by Neha. And I just think that, you said so many nice things about me. I don't know where to begin with you. It's just, and she's such a wonderful girl that, it really takes a very secure person to say such lovely things about someone else. So that's a huge compliment.
Mr. Latif, on your right side. What are the
Hi,
safety measures?
Silpa Akhilesh here from TV24.
Excuse me. Can we just raise your hand so that I can see and I can point out towards you? Thanks.
Here.
So the gentleman on the left-hand side,
Yes,
can
yes.
you, yeah. I'll come
शिल्पा
back to
जी
you.
मेरा
I'll come
सवाल
back to you.
आपसे है शिल्पा जी मेरा सवाल आपसे है यहाँ पे हूँ आपके
On
लेफ्ट
the
साइड
left.
में हूँ मैं
Shilpa on the left.
यहाँ पे यहाँ पे यहाँ पे यहाँ पे
बिल्कुल लाइट के सामने.
Yeah.
ओके
हाँ, पूछिए.
हाँ शिल्पा जी मेरा सवाल ये है जिम्मेदारियों को लेकर जिम्मेदारी जब कहते हैं कंधों पर पड़ता है तो बचपन याद आ जाता है तो कितनी जिम्मेदारी आपके ऊपर पड़ गई है ये बेस्ट डील को टीवी को लेकर
बहुत ही डीप सा सवाल पूछा है आपने मुझसे. मेरी कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है. मेरी सारी जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ मैं अपने पति के कंधों पर छोड़ देती हूँ और हाँ वो संभाल लेते हैं मेरी जिम्मेदारियाँ.
One second, ma'am.
Yeah.
Right, gentleman
Mr.
over here.
Latif.
On the right.
Yeah, Mr. Latif, my question to you is, normally people are scared to buy on online shopping and all, the expensive things and all. So what are the safety measures for the customers taken by eBay?
Safety and trust.
Safety measures.
Yeah.
Safety
Okay.
measures. What are the services you are providing so that easily we can go and go? Normally this is misconception that you should not buy on online expensive things and all.
Okay. So, we have been in this business for 20 years. And so we have learned what it is to earn customer trust. And we have policies that we have put in place. So, for example, in India, we were the first to offer a platform, a trust platform called PaisaPay. PaisaPay is a platform where the seller only gets paid after the buyer has received the product and has confirmed that is exactly what they wanted. So that is number one. Second is everything that you buy on eBay also comes with the eBay guarantee, which ensures 100% satisfaction or refund. So, these are policies that eBay has across the globe. Because customer satisfaction, buyer satisfaction is paramount when you're doing business online. And that is something our sellers are also well acquainted with, and they participate enthusiastically in satisfying the customer.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Shilpa and Neha, this is Ekta from Z. I want to know that, you guys are trying your level best to give best deals when it comes to your channel. But when you guys started considering that you are not from filmy families, was it expensive to be an actor because, you have to be, you have to project yourself in a certain light, be it clothes or lifestyle or whatever?
I really thank the stylists that have been introduced into our lives at this point. Firstly, it was really cumbersome to stand in front of the wardrobe and choose what you've not worn before because you've got the fashion police ready to shoot you down. But all said and done, I've totally digressed. What was the real question?
Was it expensive to be an actress?
It is expensive when you have to go and buy your own clothes and make sure that you make a style statement and at the same time, you're doing something different and setting a trend. But I think, it really depends on how seriously you take it. So there are times where I've repeated stuff and I honestly have reached a point where I don't care. But Neha is truly a fashion goddess, so actually you should be asking her this question.
Neha,
Yeah,
same
she's
question
always
for you.
so well turned out. It's annoying after a point.
Neha, same question for you. Was it considering that you are also from a non-filmy family, so was it expensive to be, start in film industry?
But how do you know that my dad couldn't afford to buy me expensive
I'm
clothes?
just saying, I'm not saying that your dad, I'm not saying that, whether it's a question of affordability or not. I'm just saying that when you have to project yourself in a certain light, was it expensive, like, not the point that, your family could afford it or not?
I have to clarify that by saying that expensive clothes don't always make you look good. So I know how to I don't say that I can put things together, but I do high street shopping. Like in my head, I'm still a college girl who works out of a monthly shopping fund, and I pretty much shop from there. And I don't whether I wear a black skirt from Versace or whether I wear a black skirt from Zara or whether I wear a black skirt from eBay, had to put that in. But it's pretty much, it's how you carry the clothes off. But yeah, like Shilpa said, it is high pressure. And I feel like, it's changing. There was a point where it was reaching a place where it was a lot of high pressure. But I think now actresses and models and public people, I mean, people who are in the limelight altogether have understood that and they're like taking it easy. But yeah, I mean, you spend when you have the money. When you don't make the big bucks, you don't spend. You kind of cut your you just cut your coat according to your cloth. It's pretty simple.
Thank you.
Congratulations for your very strong shoulders, because now your Shilpa has already told that everything burdens on your shoulder. How you manage to come up with new assignments every time you're on the news with gold, with best deals, then with sports also. What is the secret, and can you tell me more about it?
I was discussing with Latif. I get very bored of businesses very fast. You know, once it's on autopilot, I like to move on and try the next challenge. I've been one who's taken challenges in life at every time of life. You know, from the age of 17, when I was probably stacking shelves in a supermarket, to the age of 40 when I'm launching a new product every day. But out of all the businesses that I've done, this one is something that I'm treating really close to my heart. Every day is a new challenge. There's a new product. The life of a product sort of goes up and then you see it starting to come down, and you need to be innovative enough. So this is not letting me get bored. Every day I leave home, I drop my son to school 9 a.m. I'm back home for 8 p.m. We have dinner and we get little chance to discuss much. So her burden is not much. Luckily my wife is very light, so I can take this burden in. But no, I'm enjoying what I'm doing. It's fantastic. And this association with eBay. Hi, how are you? No, not at all. So sweet of him. It was in your way. So yeah, just it's a great challenge every day. We have new products, we have new launches. This association with eBay will help our products go further and for us to create more turnover. And I'm proud to be working with one of the most profitable e-commerce websites in India, probably the only profitable website in India actually.
Any more product in pipeline?
We have lots. There's a pipeline of, there's a dozen celebrities that are working with us. It takes time. It takes 6 to 9 months to develop products. So even when Neha started, way before we even launched Best Deal TV, we just discussed a product. It took 3 to 6 months to get the quality right, because when they put their name to it, you know, it's my reputation at stake, because if the product's not good, they're going to come and strangle me. So be it Shilpa, be it Neha, be it Akshay Kumar, be it anyone, their products have to be tip-top, and we have a quality lab which makes sure that the product is what it is. So somebody was asking a question about trust of the product and the seller. I think that's when eBay and I come together, and you know that neither eBay or Best Deal is running away. If you don't like what you buy, we'll refund you straight away.
Apart from Neha...
Sorry, last two questions.
Apart from Neha, who is the other celebrity you're going to sign it?
So you got Akshay Kumar, who's obviously co-owner in the company, as well as launching a product with us. We've got Farah Khan, who's launching a fantastic product, which we shoot for on Saturday. Sanjeev Kapoor is already live. I signed Chhota Bheem. He's one of our great celebrities. But going forward, we have obviously the EK range, Ekta Kapoor, all the TV serials, TV Attracts TV, all the top Ekta Kapoor serials, all the saris that they wear are part of the EK range, which is exclusive to Best Deal TV, and now obviously to eBay as well internationally.
The gentleman over there, yeah.
Hi, my question is to Neha and Shilpa. What is your take on in-film branding, where you have actresses in films or actors in films who are endorsing a product, and most of the time it is actually very forced and comical. So do you agree to that, and what is your take?
I think they do that because it's some way of kind of recovering, you know, the investment that you've put into the movie. So that's the easiest way out. But if I did a movie, they'd have to make sure that those products are sold on Best Deal TV. So it could be a conflict of interest, but I don't know. What do you have to say, Neha?
Yeah, I mean, you know, it is revenue return. And I have to agree with the point that you made that most of the times it kind of gets too in your face. But there are some films where they are subtle about it. They're beginning to get subtle. I was watching something online this morning, like a web series, and there was a lot of, in-film branding. But it was extremely subtle. It didn't hurt the eyes at all. A film that I saw a lot of in-film branding was Piku. But it was subtle. Like it wasn't something that really like made. It didn't hurt the eyes at all. But yeah, I mean, it's a sense of security. I mean, I think filmmakers, producers, directors, if they have a strong marketing team, they should be allowed to do that. Internationally also, it's done so much. I mean, I can go on and on about it. I mean, I don't want to take names of competitors, but even Mission Impossible 6 opens with, you know what I'm talking about. I don't want to take that name on stage. So it's more than in-film branding, because, you know, you have slates coming, and yeah, it's cool. But people should be subtle about it. If I were to make a film, I wouldn't like have a product there, but I would have a product there somewhere.
And selling films versus selling products, which is more difficult for both of you?
I would say selling films is harder, for sure. Because you guys decide pretty much the minute you see the first look or the first promo कि यार इसके लिए जाएंगे, इसके लिए इसको हम you know download कर लेंगे, इसके लिए हम DVD खरीद लेंगे. So you know it's very hard. But selling a product, like if somebody sold it and you were like नहीं नहीं यार यहाँ से क्या खरीदना है, but then your friend comes up and says, you know, you should try it out, and even 6 months later the product can pick up. It's not like it has a much longer shelf life than a film does. So that's why selling a film is much harder, because a film has just like the 9 a.m. or the 1 p.m. show on a Friday. After that, you guys decide.
Well, I have a different take. Please. So, no, I agree with the fact that selling a film is harder. But I think when you choose a product, when you choose a movie, you're doing it because you know you like the character, and you know it's you have a different role to play. But when you're doing a product, it has to be synonymous with you. At least that's the way I look at it. So I don't do a product that's not synonymous with me, that I don't agree with. You know, the philosophy of it has to work with my philosophy. So I will not endorse a product if I'm not pro that product, or if I won't use it in my life, or I'm averse to, you know, promoting it to the new gen, you know, to the Gen Next. So they're totally two different things. So yeah.
Okay, last two questions. The lady over there and the gentleman over there. Yeah.
Hi, Shilpa. Hi. It's
Mr. India.
yeah. Third row.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. It's truly nice to meet you, and it's dream come true for me. It's truly nice. Yes, that I want to ask. That's how you manage. Okay. Hello. Nice. Hi, Shilpa. And just one thing that I want to ask, that how you manage the all multitasking, means at a one. How you manage all multitasking, means all the acting, films,
पूछो
and
मत यार.
yeah, it's
Acting तो खैर मैं कर नहीं रही हूँ, because that would be I would be driven mad. But I think अब क्योंकि व्यान 3 साल का हो गया है, अब थोड़ा सा कम वक्त लेता है वो मेरे से, क्योंकि अब स्कूल है 9 से 3, so I have half the day. Yay! But I think हम women जो है ना, हम born multitaskers हैं. I think it's just inbuilt in us, and we are conditioned to be that way. So I take it as a huge compliment that you think I multitask, which I do actually. It's hard, but I love it. I love
Okay.
being a woman, and I love doing everything that I'm doing.
okay, that's nice. And we want to see your products. Means
Want
what
to see
is
my
your-
products? Very, very soon.
Yeah,
And also,
yeah.
while you ask me that, amongst all the other things that I'm multitasking with, I'm in the midst, I've already finished and I've completed my book on
Oh, wow,
nutrition, and it should be releasing very, very soon in November. That'll be a separate announcement. But since we're here and we've got this beautiful platform, I'd like to also say that, you know, for all my worldwide audiences and the fans who want to know what I've written and what I stand by and what I swear by, which is what I've written about. It's about this book on how you can stay fit. I'm not going to divulge the name today because that would be unfair. But I have discussed it with Lateef, and I'm going to be putting it on eBay for all the people who are interested in living a more healthy life. And I can assure you that, you know, you won't be let down.
Yes, definitely. And Neha, we like to see your products and what your brand and.
We're going to introduce you.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
last question.
Yeah, hi. My question is to Shilpa and Raj. This is for the shopping thing. Just want to ask, आप दोनों में से more of shopaholic कौन है?
ये कोई सवाल है? मैं, sorry.
नहीं,
I'm a self-confessed. You know, shopping is an art, and I'm an artist.
Okay, thank you.
Raj, hi. Congratulations for the new venture. आपसे जानना चाहते थे, बीच में रिपोर्ट्स आई थी कि आपकी टीम IPL में वापस खेलेगी।
ये माइक सीधा अभी तुम पे आने वाला है ये।
We hardly get to
प्रोडक्ट
meet
लॉन्च करने से पहले मैं माइक लॉन्च करने वाली हूँ।
Last, Shilpa.
Thank you guys.
Raj just wanted to get your reaction. How true is the news?
हर बार बेस्ट डील नहीं मिलती, but बेस्ट डील पे बेस्ट डील मिलेगी।
Okay, thank you.